off and let me go. This hurts, I tell you so.
I'm really bored. Bianca's not doing anything. Makes me very sad. So yeah, I'm wearing my Helene Hornet t-shirt. Right there. Can you see me? So, my friend left for vacation today. It's very sad. She won't be here for Red Hot and Boom. And Bianca's talking to her secret lover.
Yeah, and he's getting all snotty. He's like, I don't know, I was just asking if you already. Jeez.
Apparently he's getting all snotty. Birdie, blah, blah. Ethiopia. Ethiopia. Very. Hi, bud. Mm-hmm.